get Kai in, yeah.
I'll do that. Yeah, you get
Nice one. Yeah, I'll do that. You do that.
Good old bit of glue. I can't believe that prop's all good.
That's brilliant. That is.
What glue do you use? Gorilla Glue.
Did you feel the? Can you feel the that strut bit missing, Kai?
It only affected the tail slightly.
Yeah, some of it might just be window. It's a very sort of like.
Yeah, it does like knock about a bit.
It's quite tricky. It's a tricky table.
Knife edge,
Oh, yeah.
a little knife edge, don't like it. We'll do it.
Had to do it last time.
Knife edge it, you just don't like it, but do it.
Yeah, big old rudder.
The old L4 and the Fokker. The army boys are up. Nice. Let's get the army boys up, shall we? Yeah, the Fokker and the L4. Oh, fucking hell.
Glide it, glide it, glide it.
Yeah, I've got power. I'll bring her down safe. Just maybe work out what the fuck that was.
There's a bit of something's hanging off the rudder, look.
Yeah, the prop's gone. It's gone behind it.
Pull the bits.
Well done, Kai. Good save, dude.
Good land.
Brilliant. Yeah, you can see the wheel hanging off. The glue's come, that wheel bit.
Gutted.
That's scary. Oh, there's bits over there, weren't there? Canopy, I think.
Where's the other one? The grey one? Yeah, the wheel come off. Yeah.
Which way should we walk? There's bits everywhere.
Oh, yeah, that's the home boot. Only something about his land. I love stuff
I don't know. I think it looked like a bit of foam that come off.
Everything's behind the front.
Yeah. Sack this one off. Rubbish video. I'm not going to find anything. What you got, Ian? Yeah. Is that parts of it? Hey? Goggles!
What?
The motor mount thing.
Yeah.
I got a bit here as well. God, I didn't think it went, it definitely floated, didn't it?
A little bit.
Okay.
But
Oh fuck, Cooch. Well done, mate. Well done. Any more? Got any more?
fucking prop snapped off, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
That was fucking...
Ricocheted it off.
Here we go.
No? I'll take these bits back. I think we're nearly there, mate. I'm going to see what he's got missing. What else was it? Ah, that I saw that. That bit of foam. Yeah, there's a little foam tray, Ian. Yeah, I thought it was a hatch of something. Battery hatch. Got the cowl and the bit of motor.
Oh, is it still in one bit?
No, two bits. That's where the prop's gone, look. Look.
I tell you what
Yeah,
though.
I know. done.
That's fixed.
Oh,
The
no.
rest of it's still fixed.
Really? Brilliant. Kai.
What we did last week? A quick breakfast.
Okay, do that one. I'll have one tomorrow. No, that's fine. Cool, no. Come on, see you soon.
Nah, I don't know.
Right. Throttle cut. Yeah, give it a little. Ready?
Trying to rudder it round, but not quite used to the rudder on this.
Yeah, it's got an effective front.
They're not going to find anything in that plane, mate.
No, they've actually found 3 bits, Kai.
Of what?
The cowl and the engine, fake engine thing. It's just looking for the foam bit now.
Yeah.
New prop on there. Sounds better, doesn't it?
Does.
A little bit smoother.
Yeah, definitely.
Obviously every belly landing must knock it out a bit of balance, you know? Every belly landing must jar it a little bit.
Yeah, it must do.
Must do.
Well, only people see that and think, oh god, he's broken.
A lot of people. It's so sharp, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
For-
lovely, man.
I think it's still quite, you know, to look at it and flying it on free show, it was kind of a bit bulky and gangly.
They all are. So
Yeah.
It isn't the right combo.
No.
You have to put it on that because they don't want to scare people off.
Yeah.
And put the cross the batteries up too low.
Yeah.
It's just a bit like, they're not made for 4 so
For free, no. They're just not strengthened for 4, are they? So you have to do, you know, you do a little bit, add a little bit of that. You want to go for it. You should expect to reinforce it a little bit, shouldn't
Yeah,
you?
and I guess they'll put the cost up a bit as well.
Yeah.
So it's better ESC, they've got to put in it from the start,
Yeah.
possibly better running gear.
Yeah. Yeah, well, that's it. Especially they back their products. If they're selling it as a 4-cell, you know, it's got to be
Yeah.
pucker as a 4-cell, not just that's all right, but it needs strengthening. Horizon aren't like that, are they?
No, that's good care, man.
They like bringing out.
Rather just produce something that's not going to break.
Yeah. Try and cater for the mass market.
Yeah.
And if you want us to change it, go ahead, mate.
So,
Yeah.
it's easier that way anyway. So
Yeah.
control over what's going on.
Definitely. Alright, find it? Brilliant. Well done, guys. Got everything? Oh, wow.
The minute I knew what it was, he said, there's a bit of foam. I said, well, wind direction's that way. I said, that's a scratch sheet. Walk that way, you'll find it. And he did.
Oh.
He walked that way and he found it.
Love it. Brilliant.
What did we find exactly?
That foam bit, battery hatch. Battery hatch, the cowl, and that little fake motor bit that sticks on the side.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, basically everything that come off.
This doesn't feel like it wants to invert today, mate.
No, it don't really. It's, you know, it's one of
I
them.
mean, it'll do it, but it ain't have to do it.
No. Is that full elevator?
Virtually, mate.
Yeah, I know. You do need it anyway.
It's not supposed to be flying that way.
Yeah, it's never been happy going upside down, car. I don't do it a lot.
Come back to voodoo days, that's what I think.
You've still got the bits.
I've got it in a bag, mate. You can have it. Like a jigsaw puzzle.
I can glue it. I can glue anything back to me. Don't spend in 8 bits, 9 bits before.
Get out, you ain't seen anything like
The
this.
Sky Fun was with more bits, I think.
None of us have seen a piece of mess like that, have we, Kai?
No,
That was 120 mile an hour straight in.
Was it? That's what it was.
Yeah, it was
About
bad,
that.
Man. It was virtually full throttle. You had time to come down on the throttle. That was in. Bad.
Messy.
Yeah.
Battery was corsatinaed. It
Battery
was like that. Oh, lucky it didn't explode. Yeah, the old cells went, fucking hell, what was that? Yeah, boy.
Old Frog's got something to do this afternoon. That's normally me.
Yeah. That's old Frog. He thinks that's Frog, your mate. It's not frog.
It's grasshopper.
Yeah, it's grasshopper. It's not frog. Do you remember frog? You remember frog, didn't you?
Yeah.
Frog was him. He's mate.
He's mate, frog.
Yeah. What you got left, Carl? Let's have a little look. Yeah. Yeah, 36 man. You'll be
Got the main
flopping
bits,
around.
Yeah, I'll
That'll
tell you
be
what it has
funny.
done. It's made the board that the motor's screwed to a little bit loose now. I'm going to have to glue that up. It's actually really
Yeah,
shook
no
itself.
kites, you're alright. Quite got a big gathering over there now, haven't
Shook
they?
the cone off.
Good to see, man. Only one drone though so far.
Yeah.
Maybe Christmas
Wangling
they'll
around,
see the light.
vibrating the whole thing.
Beautiful that is, guy. Heads up, guys, coming in. Look at this look. Legend. Well done, mate. What a plane, eh? Gorgeous. Nice flight, man. Well done. Cheers, mate.
Cheers, man.
No worries.